Hey, so a lot of people have been asking me how many devices can you use ExpressVPN with? And I'm pretty sure I'm getting this question because Express is available on so many different platforms, the most popular browsers, a lot of TVs, and gaming consoles as well. So how many of these different platforms can you have ExpressVPN connected to with one account? And the answer is 8. You can have 8 different devices connected with just one account, and of course if you would put ExpressVPN on your router, then you can have an unlimited amount of devices. Anything connected to that router would automatically be using ExpressVPN as well. Now there are VPNs out there that offer more connections, like NordVPN, which offers 10 different connections at one time, and Surfshark, which offers an unlimited amount of connections. However, after testing many different VPNs, I have yet to find one that offers unlimited devices yet is going to be as good in terms of your speed and the reliability of connection and allow you to access all of the different websites and services that are out there over the internet like ExpressVPN does. So if you're somebody who doesn't need that much out of a VPN, but you just want to have it for all of your devices and also maybe share it with your family and friends, then ExpressVPN may not be the best fit. However, if you already have Express, or you're simply looking to invest in one really high quality VPN that will cover most of the devices you probably have, then I would definitely recommend ExpressVPN. And I'll have a discount link for you in the description that will save you some extra money if you do want to try it out, as well as a full review, and I'll also include the same for NordVPN and Surfshark as well in case you're interested in those. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. And by the way, if you want to try out ExpressVPN, I'll include a discount link for you in the description.